Hello. What we're going to do today, we're going to take a look at uh, equity analyst earnings estimation and prediction for the year ahead. And let's see what they did last year. So, as you could see, how accurate, how how accurate were the sector in buying rating between in terms of predicting almost a year later, right? So overall, the price of the S&P decreased by 16%. The energy sector had the highest percentage of buy rating at the end of the year last year. However, the two sectors with the highest percentage of buy ratings, infotech and communication services, had seen the largest price decline in the third and fourth price decline in the 11th period sector and blah, blah, blah. What is this telling you? Do not trust the analysts.